these are our Copecake cards made for tactile breathing to help your students deal with some big feelings. So it's a little bit different than our breathing star, which you inhale, exhale around the star. On the Copecake, what you're gonna do is you're gonna inhale for a count of 3 and exhale for a count of 3. So you're gonna start on this black dot, and this whole line is felted, so it has that tactile sensory processing in there. So I'm gonna start here, and I'm gonna inhale slowly for a count of 1, 2, 3. They're gonna hold it for a moment. The instructions are right here on the card, and then they're gonna exhale for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3.